have that drone with you. I just want to make sure it's out of the car.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I look at it real quick?
We're just packing up here, and we're gonna go explore Zion. Which way you want to go? You want to go into the park or into the city? Both.
Both.
Okay.
But into the park first.
Okay. Here we go.
And so our adventure begins in Springdale, outside of Zion National Park. We're gearing up, getting ready to go inside the park. I'm really excited. This is a beautiful area. It's a bit hot and a bit hazy, but hey, it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, feel the love, coffee. Feel the love in Zion. We're at Zion. I allowed in on an electric unicycle. I don't know where Nikolas went. How did you go? All right, we got to Zion. We weren't allowed in the main gate. I was a little bit frustrated by that, not gonna lie, and I kind of left with a negative type of energy. I was like, oh, a little bit upset. Went off-roading, had the drone up, getting some really good shots. I didn't wear my knee pads for whatever reason. Of course, I had everything else on, but the one thing I wasn't wearing was my knee pads, and of course, went down off-roading, clipped the rock, tore up my knee a little bit. It's not that bad. Except my knee pads, of course. I smashed my phone, my OnePlus, which had a bunch of phone stuff on it. I'm hoping I can still plug it into the computer, at least get the data off of it. But yeah, that's a bit unfortunate. So we're just gonna kick back, look for some good food, and maybe get some nice shots here in a minute. It's a very beautiful city. I really like it here. I'm gonna follow Nikolas here. He's gonna take me to this restaurant. Where are we going, Nikolas? Nikola, where are we going? 1.2 miles. Okay, we're gonna go 1.2 miles. Wow, look at all this. Prospector, you see all this? All these rocks. Yeah.
So here is the toll booth where we were turned away, and this is what I thought was all Zion National Park right here. But right now we are at the Whip Tail Grill, which is innovative Mexican cafe and old garage. Really nice reviews. I would go back just to eat here again. One of the best salads I've had in a long time. I don't eat many salads, but they had a really great salad. One of those salads that's like, wow, this is more than just a salad. It was wonderful. I'd definitely like to eat there again. The waiter there informed us we could drive down Zion Park National Boulevard here out of Springdale. Got to follow this road for quite a bit. It's actually quite a bit away. So in my head, I didn't associate it being anything related to Zion National Park. So we're here. You have to go to Virgin. He said to get on Knob Terrace Road. Looks like there's even like a BMX track here. And you can ride on this road, and it was very scenic and beautiful. And this is, I guess, apparently part of Zion National Park, because that's why we were given a ticket for being on the national park. Even though it's like way, like here's where we were in the toll booth and all that stuff where we wanted to ride. This is where we wanted to get into and ride, and man, it would have been great. Really, we should have done some more research after learning from the waiter that this was a spot to ride, but you know, it's kind of impulsive. We were planning a longer road trip, and we wanted to stop at a bunch of different areas, so we were just doing quick, you know, let's go to Zion real quick and check it out, get some shots, move on to the next spot and tour around. Ended up breaking my phone, so that kind of put the tour on halt. And yeah, so we were just trying to get some good shots and had the opportunity to go up this road. This is the area we received our tickets for. We received a ticket for flying the drone and a ticket for riding a skateboard. Or other similar device. I guess in his mind, this is a similar device to a skateboard, which isn't propelled. Or, I mean, we have lights on our Nikolas. So yeah, I guess to me, it just doesn't seem similar, but that's what he gave us the ticket for. Gonna relax and enjoy the drone footage. Did pay good money for it.
Light as a feather when I'm floating through, reading through the daily news, measuring the hurt within the golden rule. Centimeters of ether, I'm heating the speaker. Motivational teacher with words that burn people. Singing the headlines, line with discord. It's either genocide or the planet in uproar. Never good. The rules in paradise are never nice. The best laid plans of mice and men are never right. I'm just a vagabond with flowers for Algernon, an average Joe who knows what the fuck is going on. It's the hope of my thoughts that I travel upon. Fly like an arrow of God until I'm gone. So drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. So I'm drifting away like a feather in air, letting my soul take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. Taking chances, word tap dancing with wolves in the ice arena out there deep in the woods of Arizona. The sun be out, life's ironic, ain't it? Trying to be Dali when I write surreal life, I painted vivid. Habitat crazy, insane. Watching propaganda, 6 o'clock news and insane. Cultures clash, all black folk and white trash. They rebel in the cyberspace that might crash. Dash to millennium, a million miles are running. At the speed of now, bound, no return gunning. Rambo, style gun, hold child gunning. Ambo, plow, 2 times loud, stunning. Stunning, when it hit ya, lift you off the earth like, hey yo, take you right back to birth. And niggas wonder why, they might wonder why this shit might happen, but it does. It go drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. So
So you're not supposed to be on those either.
Really?
Yeah, in the park or on the county road. There's all sorts of
Aren't
stuff.
bikes allowed on this road?
They are, yes.
We're legally allowed anywhere bikes are.
Different in, first of all, it's different in the national park, and it's different in the state.
Okay.
So, alright, hang tight. You guys don't do this.
Yeah.
Well, it's basically a one-wheeled motorcycle.
Well, do you have
So-
lights and do you have turn signals and do you have brakes and do you have all that stuff?
No, we're kind of unregulated.
Yeah, so anything on this road is supposed to be road street legal.
What about bikes?
So, bikes are technically street legal.
Bicycles?
Yes. So if you're at night, you have to have lights in the back or a light.
Oh, we got lights and
You have
everything.
turn signals
But
like this. Yeah. Alright, so Nick, what's the phone number for you?
408.
is he getting a ticket?
Yes,
What'd he do?
skateboarding.
Skateboarding? So we can contest this because it's not skateboarding. Oh, okay.
It's skateboarding or other similar devices electric skateboarding. So basically you don't pay it if you want to go to court. If you like to pay it, you pay it.
How much is it?
The skateboarding is $230.
Holy shit.
So if you don't want to pay it, you wait to appear in court. You're going to send your court date in 30 to 45 days, depending on how.
Here in Utah?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going to be the same charge.
Okay.
Um,
Ones if we don't pay, it just goes to collections, or?
if you don't pay and you don't show up,
Get a
it's
warrant?
It's a federal warrant. So
Oh,
U.S.
okay.
Marshals are all over the country.
Yeah.
Pop the warrant, generally in traffic stops and they'll pop up.
Jeez.
So the U.S. Marshal will come grab
Okay.
you for something silly like this. So you can wait for it. It'll tell you which court. Sometimes you can contact the court and kind of bargain it out without having to come. Another time of COVID, they're a little more apt to do stuff like that.
So to contest it, we have to come to court. To come to court, we have to come all the way back to Utah.
Yes.
That's
Oh
ridiculous.
my god. Cold.
So basically, we have to pay it or you're fucked.
Oh my god.
You know, you can make a phone call too.
Oh, okay, I see. So,
I think
Our attorney's he's not a bad dude. A lot of times he'll work with you. I can't promise what he's going to do or what he isn't going to do.
yeah, there wasn't a gate or anything like the other national parks, so it just
Yeah,
kind of seemed
there's a big
nonchalant.
sign, there's a cattle guard. So you guys would have had to either stop or like cruise over the cattle guard real hard.
I didn't know a cattle guard was an indicator of there's cattle guards everywhere.
Yeah, but it kind of gives you a heads up if something's changing. So I got two for you.
Okay.
This is the drone and
Yep.
then the skateboarding. So there's two separate ones.
All right, big money. Got to pay the national.
I
Yeah, $230.
feel like there's a new rule. Don't get a ticket anywhere outside of the state.
Yes, that's no shit.
All right, do you guys have any questions?
No, the drone one's only 130 bucks.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh.
That's affordable. That one I deserve. The other one I think.
We are coming to the end of the video. I don't really feel like the tickets were fair, but hey, I got some beautiful footage and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment below or a thumbs up. I really appreciate the support.